तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं बोट पे ट्रिप के लिए. So guys, we have now started our boat ride. So stay tuned and enjoy the ride and the sceneries. So this is one of the beach which we reached now, and see the surroundings. We came from this way.
It's a very beautiful beach. This is short on the beach.
भैया कौन सा बीच है ये? अच्छा है.
One mountain is one view.
हाँ? अच्छा.
Where is the moon? Why is it half moon?
Because the crescent. Hey, it's not like moon is there means there's no moon here. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದಾ?
So this beach is in the shape of half moon. So that's why the name of the beach is Half Moon. So now we are heading towards our next location. So please keep watching. Thank you. So guys, we are in Paradise Beach now. So this is Paradise Beach, and this is the next destination which we reached now. The last beach was Half Moon Beach, and this is Paradise Beach. You can see few people are roaming around here, and this is a very nice place. The scenes are nice, and still we are in the boat. So now we are going to the next destination. Must watch. So this is the lighthouse, guys.
Oh, this is the lighthouse which people wanted to see.
Kapu beach ka lighthouse is better.
Yeah, it's too tall, very tall, right? Dolphin दिखा दो. Dolphin देखना है.
So guys, you can see a river which is joining this water. You can see the white water part, that is a river which is joining this part. And now we are about to see few dolphins. So please wait.
First time in so long you felt the heat evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break.
So, guys, we are here to see dolphins here, and we are waiting till the dolphin comes out. So, please be with me. So, here we can see one dolphin here. I'll zoom it for you. Yeah, you can see it. It's very little bit we can see. We are trying a lot to see dolphins. Everybody along with me in the boat are waiting for the dolphins to come out, but they are not coming out properly. Sorry for that. And we are changing our places from here and there. There are so many dolphins here. Here, once more we can see another dolphin here, but it's not coming out properly. So that's why we are not able to see, or we are not able to take a clear shot of it. So please bear with me. So in this place, there are lots of dolphins. See, one more we can see here. Yeah, see, it's nice place. There are so many dolphins are here, but hardly it's coming out. So the person in the boat who took us to this place, so they told that there are so many dolphins available over here, but it depends on their mood how they'll come out and how we are able to see that. So at least somehow we managed to see few of the dolphins, and I hope you guys also enjoyed it. But the bad luck is they are not coming out properly. Okay, so now I hope uh, we are not able to see them again. And post this, we are heading towards our shore, and the trip is about to uh, end. And in this trip, we covered three places: the the Half Moon Beach, the Paradise Beach, and the Lighthouse. And in an add-on, we saw few of the dolphin, and still we are waiting if we can see them properly. So I hope this boat trip enjoyed you, and you like the content of it. And now we are heading towards the shore. Thank you. कहाँ है? अच्छा,
Is that a doll? Maybe it's some dangerous animal.
yeah, two are there. डॉल्फिन इतना ही मतलब So guys, our boat ride is about to over, and this is the last destination which we are covering now. This is the Nirvana beach. We are not exactly going to explore Nirvana beach. We are just viewing it from the boat itself. And on this side, you can see the beauty and the environment from where we are passing. And I hope you liked this blog. And in this blog, we covered few places. The first is Half Moon Beach. Then we visited Paradise Beach. Then we covered the lighthouse. Then we saw few dolphins. So altogether, this is a nice blog, and I hope you liked it. So if you like the video, please like it, and if you want to give any feedback or you want to comment it on the video, please do comment, and please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribing it, so that it will give me a boost to make such beautiful videos. And please hit the bell icon so that it will help you to get my upcoming videos as soon as possible. Okay, so I hope you like the video, and with this note I am going to close this video, because as I told you, we are heading towards the shore. And on the right hand side you can see another boat, and they are going for the trip now. So this is how these people do the trips, batch by batch. So I hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching it.